Hey Grade 3, in this learning way we'll be looking at addition and subtraction number sentences, but we'll also be looking at addition and subtraction number sentences and their turnarounds. Let's get started on that. I'm going to use my little Minecraft house here to explain to you about fact families. Now, fact families are three numbers that can add up and take away, all just using those three numbers. So the three numbers that I'm going to use for this example are the number 3, the number 8, and the number 5. Now, we need to have the biggest number here to equal our first number sentence. So our first number sentence here needs to equal 8. Now, I have 3 and I've got 5. So let's do 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now I'm going to do the turnaround, which is 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now comes the subtraction side, or the turnaround takeaway. So for a takeaway, I always have to have the biggest number first. So the biggest number in my fact family triangle here is 8. And now I'm going to take away 3. And that will equal 5. Now there's another one that I can do there where I need the biggest number of 8, but this time I'm going to take away the 5, and the answer will be 3. So those are all the equivalent number sentences for the numbers 8, 3 and 5 with their matching turnarounds. In these number sentences, my answer is going to be 130 for the addition. Now, what I'd like you to look for is your rainbow facts when you're adding 127 plus 3. Now, hopefully your brain will automatically see that 7 and 3 is a rainbow fact, and that's going to make 130. So I can turn these two around now and say 3 plus 127 equals 130. Now for the takeaway turnaround, I need the biggest number, which is 130. Take away 3 leaves me with, now looking for that rainbow fact again. So what's the partner for 10? So here's my 10, and the partner with the 3 is 7. So the answer is 127. Do you see the way I'm using my knowledge of my addition strategies to help me work out a takeaway? Now the bottom one is 130, take away 127. And again, I use my rainbow fact knowledge to know that the partner to 7 is 3. So my answer must have a 3 in it, and sure enough, the answer is 3. Let's look at these numbers that are a bit bigger. They're 4-digit numbers now. So my total here is 2,158. 2,158. Now my first addition sum will be 2,154 plus 4. Now looking at those numbers, I can see a number addition strategy here of 4 and 4 equals 8. So I'm using my doubles addition strategy there to know that the answer at the end on the ones column must be 8. Now I can turn around that addition sum and do 4 plus 2,154 equals 2,158. Now for the takeaway turnaround, I need the biggest number at the start to do takeaway. 2,158, take away 4. Now letting your brain look for that doubles strategy here. 8 take away 4. So we've got to have a 4 on the end, 2,154. And now the next takeaway turnaround is 2,158. Take away 2,154, and that will equal 4. There we go. Great work, grade 3.